What is up? It's your girl Brannygiz, and I'm back on your screen. Just got off of work not too long ago, and put this over there. Put that over there. Just got off of work not too long ago. I ran some errands. I had to go to the grocery store, and I also, I'm looking a little dark. Hold on, let me fix this. Let me fix it. Is that a little bit better? Is that a little bit better? I hope it is. Yeah. Anyway, I had to go to the grocery store. I picked up some grocery items. Sorry that the camera is dark, but this will be real quick. I had to get some more cereal. And I have on my glasses because I went into Ulta to find some concealer for my under eye, because my under eyes have been really wet. I don't know what's going on, if I'm not putting it on right. Usually I try to put concealer on and just go out the door, but I think I need a little bit more than concealer. So the young lady gave me a little wipe to put, and now I'm looking like a raccoon. But I placed the order, so it should be ready in like 2 hours. I'm gonna run to Ulta and pick up the stuff since they're having 20% off for Mother's Day. So yeah, I think, let me see, what did I get? I bought some MAC concealer. Hopefully that's pretty good. I never tried the Studio Fix concealer in a little tube. And I bought some MAC Studio Fix foundation, because I haven't used that in a while. So hopefully it works really good. But anyway, I picked up some Dawn. I love Dawn, y'all. I tried other stuff. There is one that I do like. Hold on, let me show y'all. Okay, this one is pretty good. This is Gain. This is 2 times the power. You always want something that takes away the grease, help you clean really good. So this one was pretty good, and it lasts a long time. So when we run out of like the Dawn, we always reach for this. I bought some chocolate chip cookies from the brand Market Side. These are pretty good. They're very, very good. Hey beauties, I just wanted to interrupt this vlog to share with you all an unboxing of some shoes that I received. Some cute Chanel espadrilles that I received from Okify.ru. Okify.ru. They were so kind enough to send me these here shoes, and I'm going to share with you all. I'm going to do the unboxing, and they look like so. I was about to do my try on haul, and I said, let me show you guys my shoes that were sent to me. And this is the little dust bag that it comes with. Everything is packaged really neat, really nice. And you have your Chanel info right there. And I'm going to open it up. Put one of the shoes right here. And before I move any further, I want to tell you that these shoes are in a size 42. They're called the Chanel espadrilles, and we are going to go on the website and see. And I also have a coupon code which is 10% off. Yeah, these are the Chanel espadrilles, and let me show you how they look. I thought these were so cute, and they're these right here. Super cute, you guys. Aren't they cute? Look at that. It has the CCs on the top. You have the darker color on the toe, a lighter color all over, and then on the bottom, this is how it's made. And I just thought this was like a really cute shoe that I could wear like going to like run errands, or just like anywhere. This is like going to get your son's report card. You're going to get your kids' report card, looking cute but casual. You can actually wear these to work. Whatever the case may be, you will be looking stylish and everything. So I picked these shoes out, and again, this is in a size 42. Let me tell you how much it retails for. And they go up to a size 42. Remember, these are European sizes, and this retails for $180 US. Yes, these are super cute, and I like them a lot. Okay, so I would try them on, but I already opened them, and unfortunately I can't fit them. Yes, they are so tight on my foot that I guess, I don't know, all the shoes that I get are in a size 42. I make sure the European sizes. I am actually a 9.5, 10, and these are some shoes that I couldn't get my feet in. So yeah, I would try them on for you guys, but let me try it one more time. Let me try it one more time. I tried to put them on, but I couldn't fit them. But I wanted to do the review because I'm sure there are some people who would love. Yeah, these are super tight. I couldn't. Okay guys, these are the shoes, and they do fit a little snug. Let me move this out of the way. These shoes are a little snug on my feet. I would love to have them in a bigger size, but I put them on so that I can show you guys how they look on. I'm thinking it's pretty tight because of the leather, but yeah, these are super cute, and I was thinking about stretching them, but I don't know. They are cute, right? Yes, and the quality, yes guys, I really do like the shoe. I was thinking maybe I could stretch them or something like that. Use my husband's shoe stretcher and see if it works out. They're kind of like tight right here, but I think they are super cute. We shall see. The quality on the shoe is bomb. I'm telling you guys, they made this shoe really nice. You can smell the leather. It smells good. It has Chanel in the inside, and everything is just made to perfection. I had put a little, yeah, everything is made really nice. The quality of the shoe, like I said, it is a beautiful shoe. It is snug, I believe, because of the leather, but we're gonna see if the shoe stretcher, I think my husband owns a shoe stretcher, if I could stretch it a little bit and make it, I guess because they're new, but you know, I like shoes that I can just slide my feet right into. But I'm gonna try to stretch these shoes and see if they'll loosen up a little bit, and if not, you guys know I always bless somebody with the shoes. But yeah, for the most part, I want to thank them again for sending me these here shoes. You can go on their website because they sell a lot of products. I'm going to show you the products that they have. They have bags from YSL to Chloe to Balenciaga, Fendi. They have the Hermes bag, and they also sell shoes if you're interested in shoes, and accessories like gloves, hats, scarves, key rings, sunglasses, jewelry, watches. The list goes on. So I want you guys to check them out. I am going to give you my coupon code, which is Brandy, my first name, BRANDI. You can save 10% off by using that coupon code. Go on their website, on Instagram, okify.fashion. I'll list everything down in the description section of the video, so you won't have to be trying to write it down. Everything will be listed down in the description section of the video. So with that being said, I want to thank them again for sending me this here, these here shoes. They are really cute. They had it packaged very well, and I do recommend their company. They are legit. So with that being said, I'm gonna get off of here. All right, thank you, bye. So I picked up the barbecue chips, some bread, some Haagen-Dazs ice cream. This is the vanilla milk chocolate almond ice cream bars, and I needed some Cantu. These are the disposable caps. I can never get enough of that. Some toothpaste, and then I seen these scarves at Walmart. It's the soft satin. I haven't seen anybody talking about this one. I really haven't even seen these, but this one was the cutest to me. The tie-dye was a little cheesy, but they're supposed to be 60 inches long. So let's see. I'm gonna take it. I heard satin is so supposed to be good for your hair, so we shall see. Okay, it's okay. It's still cheesy looking. I'm not gonna tie it like this, but just for the sake of the video. They look pretty cool. And I needed a shower cap, so I went back and I picked up a shower cap, you guys. I picked up my favorite. These are the Playtex Sports. This is the Ultra. And then some cottonelle for the bathroom. I picked up the extra large and another. This right here is plumber tested. You can actually flush them. So that is a good thing. Okay, so I'm gonna make some spaghetti. So I got some grillers, butter, some more butter, the smooth kind. It's the butter, olive oil, and sea salt. Some snacks. Some Prego garden chunky tomato, onion, and garlic. And this is the roasted garlic and herb. Smucker's jelly, strawberry. The 5 cheese. This is really good with your spaghetti. And I'm just gonna try this out. I know it ain't nothing like your own cornbread, but Pillsbury came out with one, so I'm gonna try theirs and see what it is about. I might make it with my food just to see. I only got one. And I picked up the oat milk, the extra creamy, because I make my smoothies, and I'm gonna start learning how to make that Starbucks drink too. And I got milk, but he got milk, but it's okay. We run out of milk really fast. And some milk. And I finally found my Dove. I love the antibacterial because it smells really good and it cleans really good. Let me see. Yeah. You know, I had to pick up 2 since I couldn't find it. And they always have these right here. These are the exfoliating wash, and I like to use this to like wash under my arms to make sure all that deodorant is off my arms, so that I can have fresh deodorant, you know, because I don't like that cake, that buildup of, you know, I don't like that build up of deodorant. So I get one of these exfoliating wash. It's like it has some kind of texture on it that help to remove it. So if you see this at Walmart, they're only like $1 something. I love it. It works. Then I picked up some mango. These were huge. They were only $1.98. So I picked up 2 of those because mangoes are good as a snack. Then we have some Tahitian punch and the Fanta strawberry, girl, and some tissue. We still haven't went to Sam's Club. And girl, guess what came in the mail? My Fashion Nova. I placed the order with Fashion Nova, and it said it wasn't coming until tomorrow, no, Monday, but it came early. Yes, it said it came early. Let me take this scarf off my head. Looking crazy. But girl, it's been one. Y'all see I got this ponytail on my head. I need to do my hair. These cookies are so good. On a hungry one. But I got my Fashion Nova. So I wonder if my alcohol is ready for pickup. Because I need some concealer like today. Now I have some, the Makeup Forever. I don't know, you know what, that Anastasia, I really hate that Anastasia concealer. And I wish I could take it back, but I threw away the packaging that it came in. That concealer sucks. It's terrible. So I like Too Faced. Yep, I like Too Faced. What you doing, buddy? Say hi to the people. No, don't be like that.
I don't want to say hi to them.
They like you. Say hi. Say hi to my, come here. Say hi to my subscribers. Say hey y'all, how y'all doing? Why you acting like that? Like you a celebrity or something. Boy, going somewhere. Anyway, girl, I gotta put this stuff away. It's been one. I'm tired. I got off of work and I'm just like, the sleep done fell down on me. So I'm about to make some spaghetti. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna make these crumbles. I just put half. I don't do the whole thing. And I just add a little water to it. So I'm just gonna add some pepper, just season it to my liking. A little onion powder, not much, some garlic powder. A little salt, Italian seasoning, Alright you guys, so yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff away. I will see you guys on the next video. I promise it will be a better video when I'm together because the girl is tired.